Hi children, how are you? I am Aditi Miss. Today I will talk about rainy season. How to take precautions in rainy season to be safe. Okay children? As you know, rainy season has started from July to September. So I will say some sentences on rainy seasons. Rainy season is also called the monsoon season. You know, rainy season is also called monsoon season. So repeat after me. Rainy season is also called the monsoon season. Sky is cloudy in the rainy season. You know, when it's going to rain, the clouds are grey in color. And why the clouds are grey color? Because sky is filled up with water. So repeat after me. Sky is cloudy in the rainy season. Sky is cloudy in the rainy season. Rainy season starts in the month of July and lasts till September. So rainy season starts in the month of July and lasts till September. It's It's raining already. This is September. So this is the last month of rainy season. So repeat after me. Rainy season starts in the month of July and last till September. Okay. We get water from rain. You know, rain is the main source of water. There are so many water sources are there like river, ponds, but they are all getting filled with water by rain. You, when it rains, from where it is coming? It's from rain. It is coming and then pond is filled with water. And plants and fish there, they are getting water from rain. We use the water for household work also to collect rainwater from the rain and collect in house. So repeat after me. We get water from rain. Okay children? We use an umbrella and raincoat in rainy season. We learned about it. When it is raining, we use umbrella, raincoat and rain boots to prevent ourselves from getting wet. So repeat after me. We use an umbrella and raincoat in rainy season. Okay, children, you have all these things. Caterpillars, snails, frogs are the monsoon creatures. When it's a rainy season, a caterpillar, snails, or frogs coming out from their places. During the rain, they come out from their home. They are rainy season creatures. So repeat after me. Caterpillars, snails, frogs are the monsoon creatures. Okay. So you will say all the sentences again. Okay, children. Seasons. How many seasons do we have? There are many seasons depending on the geographical condition of the region. First one is depends on geographical condition. First one is winter, summer, spring, autumn and monsoon. शीत ऋतु, ग्रीष्म ऋतु, शरद ऋतु, पतझड़ और वर्षा ऋतु. Rainy season or monsoon. This season is experienced between June to September. June to September is rainy season. The different types of rain experienced are it's drizzling, very light rain, and then it is wet outside. This is also light rain. Drizzling is very light rain and wet light rain. It is raining. It's normal rain. Pouring. It's pouring. That means heavy rain. It is raining very heavily. It's lashing. Lashing means very heavy rain. It's lashing means very heavy rain. It's raining heavily. Lashing. Bucketing down. Bucketing down means heavy, intense rain. It's very, very heavily raining. That is bucketing down. Next is raining cats and dog. It is an idiom. It means heavy rain. When it is raining heavily, it is called raining cats and dog. Incessant rain. That means non-stop rain. When it is raining non-stop, no gap, that is called incessant rain. Cloud burst. It happens very rarely. It is a rare occasion and especially it happens in hilly area. Cloud burst means it comes down once at a time with heavy force. And bhig jana. What is the English of bhig jana? To get wet, to get soaked, to get drenched and very wet. If you are getting wet by rain, then you can use all these sentences. I get wet, to get soaked, to get drenched, very wet. All meanings are same. To get wet, to get soaked, to get drenched and very wet. These all are having same meaning. Rainy season. We will now know about rainy season. Rainy season comes after the hot and dry summer season. It is also known as monsoon season. In India, monsoon begins in the month of June and goes on till September. Everyone eagerly waits for this season as it offers relief from the scorching summer heat. Monsoon makes everything in the nature look refreshing and colorful. All the trees get covered with new green leaves and fields are covered with green velvet grass. During the rainy season, the sky remains covered with clouds. Thunderstorms are very common. At times, rainbow can also be seen in the sky. After the rains, it is also a season to enjoy lot of fresh foods. Due to heavy rainfall, rivers, canals, tanks become full to the brim and other lowlands go underwater. The intensity of rainfall varies from one region to another depending on the location and climate condition. Monsubaniram and Meghalaya is known to have the highest ever rainfall in the world. Rainfall is a natural source of water, thus rainy season is of great importance to the Indian farmers as a large number of farmers depend upon the monsoon rains for the crop cultivation. On the other hand, excessive rain leads to flood which in turn affects in the outbreak of epidemic. It causes diarrhea, dysentery, thyroid and other digestive system insect-borne diseases like malaria, dengue, fever, etc. increases as a result of waterlogging in lowland areas. In spite of all the difficulties, everyone welcomed this season with much joy and happiness. Many Indian festivals are also celebrated with great enthusiasm during this season. See, in rainy season we use umbrella. You use umbrella? Yes, it's very nice. So, we will know about rainy season again. We will answer the question about rainy season. So, what is rainy season known in India? What is rainy season is known in India? Rainy season is known as monsoon in India. Rainy season is known as monsoon in India. What is the period of monsoon in India? What is the period of monsoon in India? Monsoon starts in the month of June and ends in September. Monsoon starts in the month of June and ends in September. June to September monsoon. Next is why is it an important season in India? Why monsoon is important season in India? It is an important season because about half an Indian's farm output depend on rain. The monsoon also refills the reservoirs providing drinking water. You know that we get water, drinking water from rain and very important for farmers. They plow help of this rainwater. So this is important season. Next, what will happen if there is no rain? If there is no rain, what will be happening? If there is no rain, rivers would dry up, crops would fail, and the trees would die. In other words, there would be no life on earth, because we all need water to live. Trees also, animals also, and the humans also need water to live. Next, do you like rainy season? Do you like rainy season? Yes, I like rainy season. Do you like? Rainy season is my favorite season. I long for it. How do children enjoy this season? How children enjoy this season? You enjoy this season? How do you enjoy? Children like to get wet in rain. They make paper boats and float in running water. Do you make paper boats and float in water? How do you prepare for rainy season? How do you prepare yourself for rainy season? I keep my umbrella and rainy shoes ready before the rain begins, but I never miss to enjoy the first shower of rain. I always get wet in first shower of rain. What happens when there is heavy rain? When rains comes very heavily, what happens then? When there is heavy rain, the city faces waterlogging. As the result, the transport services are disrupted. But as soon as the rain subsidies, life is back on track. When it is raining heavily, then everywhere there is logging. You know that? Let's see what precaution we should take in rainy season. Children, as you know, rainy season has started from July. In rainy season, we get relief from hot summer, but we don't take any precaution. We can be ill in this season. Because of more humidity, viruses and bacteria became very active. This time we can infected by water. As a result, cold, cough, diarrhea, fungal infection can happen. So now we will know how to prevent from all the diseases. So we have to boil water for some times and then cool down to normal temperature and then drink. That we can get 99% pure water. Whenever you come from out, especially in rainy season, wash your hand and legs with soap and water. Don't touch your face too much because viruses enters into our body through eyes, nose and mouth, and we get sick. Unknowingly we touch our eyes, nose and mouth and get infected. Also we get infected by shaking hands with other person using public transport. So we have to clean our hands always. That is not possible every time. So we have to carry sanitizer or clean hanky so we can clean our hands and face. In this season, we have to avoid street food because bacteria are very active this time. And you don't know they are using clean things or not. So you can be infected very fast. Also, you have to notice that there is no water logging outside of your house, or no water in a pot, or if you are using cooler, then change the water every day because bacteria grows fast in logged water. And there is any water logging, you can sprinkle kerosene oil or some antibiotic thing. Or you can inform your municipality chairman. This time mosquitoes are very active, so use mosquito net or mosquito repellent. If you go outside of house, you use mosquito net or mosquito repellent. So there will be chances of malaria and dengue. When sometimes we go out, we get wet in rain, and for that our throat affected. We get cough and cold. For that we have to take medicine, or you can take herbal drink made at home. You can say your mom. In this weather we have to wear dry clothes. If you wear wet clothes, then there is chances of fungal infection. This is a skin infection, so you can make it dry by using your iron. But clothes must be dry. In rainy season, you should avoid leafy vegetable because these vegetables affected very much by germs. So avoid, this is not good for health. Be very careful when you are taking vegetables and fruits from outside. Don't take cut fruits and cut vegetables. And wash it very carefully before eating. And in this season, avoid fried and oily food also. Because of high humidity, digestive system will be weak. Tips for children. Keep their room very clean, and when they are taking bath, mix some antibiotic in their water, and their toys should be clean. And when you are getting out, make them wear full sleeve dresses to protect from mosquito. If they play outside, wash their hands and feet and feed them vitamin C food. This is a frog. It is rainy season creature. We see a frog in rainy season. You have seen frog in rainy season? During the months of Sawan and Bhadra, lots of rainfall occurs. It is called rainy season. Rainy season. Can you like rainy season? We can see frog in rainy season, earthworm in rainy season. These are rainy season creatures. Snail and snake seen in rainy season. Animals seen in rainy season. Frog has cold and moist body. You have seen frog jumping. Yes, frog in dry season. If it comes out of the land, moisture from its body will evaporate. Due to the loss of moisture, it may die. Breathes through its skin in water. Frog. Soil on land is wet and moist in rainy season. Wet soil keeps the body of a frog moist and does not allow moisture to evaporate from its body. It's frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Frog, snail, earthworm and slug. You have seen slug have moist bodies. These four has moist bodies. Appear only in the rainy season. Rainy season. We will do sentences about rainy season. बारिश के मौसम में बोले जाने वाले इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, इंग्लिश phrases, English words. What we talk about rainy season. English sentences, English words, English phrases. Okay, children. So what will be all the things? Let's start. आज बारिश होने का संभावना है. It is likely to rain today. Next, क्या बाहर बारिश हो रही है? Is it raining outside? क्या अभी भी बाहर बारिश हो रही है? Is it still raining outside? चलो अंदर चलते, बारिश शुरू हो रही है. Let's go inside. It's starting to rain. बारिश रुक गई है, चलो बाहर चलते हैं. It has stopped raining. Let's go outside. बारिश नहीं हो रही है, चलो बाहर चलते हैं. It is not raining anymore. Let's go outside. मैं बारिश में भीग गया हूँ. I got drenched by the rain. और I got soaked by the rain. Drench और soak means भीगना. ओके? आज मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather today? बाहर मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather outside? Weather means मौसम. मौसम is weather. बाहर थोड़ी बारिश है. It's a little rainy outside. बस थोड़ी बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. It is just drizzling. It is just spitting a little. Spitting or drizzling means little bit. ये तो सिर्फ बूंदाबांदी है. मैं वॉक करने बाहर जा रहा हूँ. I am going out for a walk. It's only drizzling. बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. It's raining heavily. Or it's pouring. See, it is lightning also. Can you see lightning? Bijli. It is raining very heavily. It is pouring down. It is bucketing down. You can use all these sentences. It is chucking down. It is coming down. The heavens open. This is idiom. It is raining cats and dogs. बहुत ज़्यादा तेज बारिश हो रही है means all the things you can use for raining heavily. ये एक आंधी तूफान है. It is a thunderstorm. Thunder means बिजली. ये एक आंधी तूफान है. It is a thunderstorm. It's lightning. It is a thunderstorm. ये एक ओलों का तूफान है. It's a hailstorm. Hails means ओले. मैं मूसलाधार बारिश मतलब तेज बारिश में फंस गया हूँ. I am stuck in the downpour. माफ़ करना, मैं लेट हो गया क्योंकि बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही थी. I am sorry, I am late because it was bucketing down. मेरे कपड़े भीग गए क्योंकि बाहर बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. My clothes are soaked because it is pouring rain outside. देखो बाहर बारिश हो रही है. Look, it is raining outside. बारिश होने वाली है. It is going to rain. और it is gonna rain. अपना छाता ले लो, ऐसे लग रहा है कि बारिश होने वाली है. Take your umbrella. It looks like it is going to rain. Or take your umbrella. It look like it's gonna rain. क्या कल बारिश होगी? Will it rain tomorrow? क्या कल बारिश होने वाली है? Is it going to rain tomorrow? कल बारिश कितने बजे होगी? What time will it rain tomorrow? कल बहुत तेज बारिश हुई. It rained heavily yesterday. It rained heavily yesterday. कल रात बहुत तेज बारिश हुई. It rained heavily last night. क्या कल रात बारिश हुई? Did it rain last night? कल रात बारिश कब हुई? When did it rain last night? मुझे बारिश बहुत पसंद है. I love the rain. मुझे बारिश पसंद नहीं है. I hate the rain. मुझे बारिश के दिन बहुत पसंद है. I love the rainy days. मुझे बारिश के दिन पसंद नहीं है. I hate the rainy days. दिन भर से बारिश रुक रही है और शुरू हो रही है. It's been raining on and off all day. मैं फुटबॉल नहीं खेल सकता क्योंकि बाहर बारिश हो रही है. I can't play football because it's raining outside. 3 दिन से लगातार बारिश हो रही है. It's been raining non-stop for 3 days. और it's been raining for 3 days straight. You can use 2 sentences. It's been raining non-stop for 3 days or it's been raining for 3 days straight. Thank you, children. Enjoy monsoon.